Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add a payment method on Battle.net. Alright, so hey gamers, are you there? So ready to make purchases on Battle.net but need to add a payment method first? Alright, so whether you're gearing up for the latest expansion or snagging some in-game goodies, this guide will walk you through adding a payment method to your Battle.net account. So first things first, head over to Battle.net and log into your account using your credentials. And once you're logged in, go ahead and click on your name at the top right corner, which is here, and you're going to see a drop down menu with a couple of options: account settings, wish list, my gifts, redeem code, change battle tag, and logout. Now go ahead and select account settings. Now once you select account settings, it's going to take you to the account settings window. All you need to do is to look at the left navigation panel or the left hand menu, and you're going to see a couple of more options here: account overview, account details, games and subscriptions, down to download Battle.net. So click on payment method. Now this is where you can manage all your payment options. So go ahead and click on add a new payments method, and you see options to add your credit or debit card or link a PayPal account. So choose your preferred method, and once you do that, go ahead and select continue. For credit or debit cards, all you need to do is to enter your card number, your expiration date, a CVV of the card, and billing address. While for PayPal, you'll be directed to log into your PayPal account and authorize the connection. Don't forget, you need to add your billing information here, and after that's when you can now continue to add your card details. Now, after entering your details, ensure you check the box that says save this payment method for future purchases. Then click save or add payment method to finalize. Now, if you have multiple payment methods, you can set your preferred one as the default by clicking set as default next to the payment method. Alternatively, you can add a payment method during the checkout process. When purchasing a product, select buy now. Once you click on the buy now button, choose your payment method, enter the details, and ensure you check save this payment method for later before completing the purchase. So if you encounter a couple of issues, or if you encounter any issue during the process, clear your browser's cache and cookies to try a different browser. Ensure your billing information matches your payment method details. Make sure your PayPal account is verified and linked to a valid bank account or credit card. That's if you're opting for a PayPal. And some payment methods may not be available in all regions, so just have to check out for it. And there you have it. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.